Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about structure in Swift. Swift provides a flexible building block of making use of constructs as structures. By making use of these structures, one can define construct methods and properties. Unlike C and Objective-C, a structure need not require implementation files and interface. A structure allows us to create a single file and to extend its interface automatically to other blocks. Let's start Xcode. Click this Get Started with Playground, choose blank and write file name. Click Create. Let's define a structure using this keyword struct point and the variable x type double and then variable y type double. And another structure struct rectangle, variable left point with this type point and variable right point type point. And let's define a variable location point x 250 and y 40. And let's define another variable point this structure x 100 y 60. And let's define another variable shape of type this rectangle and we will pass this location for left point and point for this right point. Let's define a variable width type double and here we will return this from right point x minus left point x, and for height we will return this right point dot y minus left point dot y, and a function area which will return a double value return width multiplied by height. Let's print this by calling these variables and functions width, height and area. And here is the result. Width 75, height 20 and area is 1500. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.